Hey, this is Chris from Lake Chevy GMC, bringing you a closer look at the Chevy Silverado 2500 HD. Appreciate your interest. Happy to get you a closer look. I know you've seen the checklist on the vehicle, but we're happy to show you undercarriage, a closer look at some of the rust spots you were asking about. See a little bit of rust starting here on that rocker. Let's take a peek at the undercarriage from here. Frame's in average shape. It's average to good under here actually. You tend to see a bit more corrosion on some of the stuff, so undercarriage is pretty clean. I don't know if that's from being up higher or what, but real quick while I'm here, interior is in nice clean shape. You see a bit of wear and tear, but nice and clean overall. Smells good, no bad odors or anything. Here you can, see some rust there. Wheel well. A little bit of a tiny crack forming in the bumper. It's not actually broken through. Tonneau cover, but no bed liner. Another look underneath. Driver's side wheel well. I'd say the other side is the worst of the two. It's pretty solid there. Yeah, they're both actually pretty solid. It's not like they're about to go through or anything, but what you see is what you get. Right there would be the worst area, rocker panel, driver's side rear. You can see some of it's cracked through. All in all, nice truck for what it is. Selling it as is. Very upfront about the condition. We appreciate your interest. Invite you in for a closer look.